I'm Avita, and today we're at Bodega Head, and we're gonna go hiking. The boys are already going, which we're gonna be behind, but don't worry, at least we're camping since this is hiking, since this is a hiking video. Yeah, hiking. Come on, let's go. Okay, so we're back in filming because, well, my mom took a photo of me and Bodega Head.
This way.
Sorry. Mom, remember the story?
It's okay.
Okay. Pretty flower. Mom, this is for you.
Thank you very much.
Pretty sandy, wouldn't you think, Mom?
Mm-hmm. How you feel about your first hiking?
It's not my first time hiking. This is my third time hiking.
Right, but at the Bodega Head.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool,
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah,
Beautiful?
I
And the
should
weather
probably
is...
give a flower to brother, shouldn't I?
Yeah. Look around to see the view also.
Whoa. Look, everyone. Da-da.
I know.
Pretty cool, right?
Yes.
Back to hiking. Welcome back. This is where we usually look at stuff or just relax or play. Like, this is a pretty nice view, right? Like, this is the best view I've ever seen. I feel like I should probably take a picture. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. Look, really, it's actually pretty cool, though. Like, look! Brother! Dad! We see you!
Oh, keep
Get
going,
over
Gun. Keep
here.
going.
Huh?
Keep going.
Wait, can I have the flower back? This is my little bro. His name is Devon.
Devok, say hello. Look at the camera and say hello.
Hello. And that's my dad.
How do you like your hiking, Vok?
Good. How about you, Dad?
Good.
Okay.
Yeah! Hello again. This is the car street view where I'm looking at. Pretty cool, right? It's a lot of cars. Wait, are there two same cars? Am I imagining? Pretty cool, right? Oh, and also, brother gave me these flowers.
What happened to your brother?
Hmm?
What happened to your brother?
Probably because he's tired.
After walking, he's tired and he wants piggyback.
Ha 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 ha.
3.
Hello everyone again, and we're officially back, and I really hope you guys had a really good time watching this video. And if you liked it, like and subscribe. Okay, bye.